Mercedes has finally and irrevocably admitted the failure of its attempt to replace the large V8 in the C63 with an innovative but highly controversial four-cylinder hybrid engine. Now the company is preparing for a serious rethink of the concept, and you're gonna like it! The next generation of the C63 will abandon the 2-liter turbocharged four-cylinder paired with an electric motor, which, despite its impressive combined output and technical sophistication, failed to convince buyers that they were looking at a true AMG sports sedan. People just couldn't connect one with the other. So, my friends, the hybrid saga is officially over, but don't celebrate too soon. The coveted V8 under the hood of the C63 still won't return. After some reflection, the company decided that a more suitable solution would be a straight 6-cylinder 3-liter engine, already familiar from models such as the CLE53 and E53 AMG. This engine feels more traditional to brand enthusiasts, while still combining modern technology with a signature sound and smooth yet powerful delivery, crucial for the emotional experience of driving. At the same time, fans of the marque will have to accept that a V8 comeback is not planned and likely won't happen at all. Despite rumors and hopes, Mercedes has no intention of reviving the old format for the C-Class due to both emissions regulations and the company's internal strategy. From a technical perspective, it would also be difficult given that the current generation was developed around smaller engines. Instead, Mercedes aims to fit the new inline-6 into the C63 with the upcoming facelift scheduled for the next few years. Nevertheless, the switch to a 6-cylinder is still perceived as a step back toward AMG's true values and an attempt to restore the emotional essence the latest generation clearly lacked. So, let's take a closer look at the new engine. In the new C-Class, the Germans plan to install the M256 30DH powertrain. In its most powerful form, this engine produces 449 horsepower and 560 Newton-meter of torque. The engine uses a single turbocharger complemented by an integrated electric motor rated at 161 horsepower, positioned between the engine and transmission. Its role is to eliminate turbo lag and assist the combustion engine during acceleration. As a result, this setup could potentially deliver up to 610 horsepower, which would be more than enough to compete with the current BMW M3. Visually, the new C63 AMG will also evolve. It will become closer in design to the electric C-Class, which Mercedes teased after the debut of the new GLC. The flagship C-Class will also adopt the same screen architecture and a similar grille design, though with less lighting. Either way, big changes are coming, and they're very promising.